Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. So here I am again, chilling with these beauties. So grateful for today. It's a new day, it's a new week. I hope that everyone will have a pleasant week and a blessed one. Guys, please remember to buy me coffee. The link is in the description box. We are chilling with the birds. Chilling with the bugs. The other one is hiding behind there. Oh, cute. I think it's a grooming session in the morning, something like that. Lovely. Look at this. Look at their little faces.